kakantahan ka namin ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pasensya na, walang practice. But anyway, may you have many, many more. Ay Nati, kumusta ka na dyan? Happy 16th birthday ha? Sana magkita-kita pa tayo ano? O sige pala, enjoy ka lang dyan, Day. Bye. Hello sa inyong lahat, kumusta? Nati, happy birthday to you. How young are you? Kamusta na kayo lahat? Let's praise God na umabot tayo sa ganitong edad. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na hanggang ngayon meron pa tayong komunikasyon. Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Eloy, Edna, LB, enjoy your time with your mom. Yan ang pinaka-special moment ninyo. At Nati, salamat for being there for me nung araw. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye.